Okay, my dear students, how to solve this problem by lateral thinking method or out of box thinking method? You can just see this is a question of kinematics. But you use the method of kinematics, problems becomes more than 1 minute. But can you solve this problem by different approach, that is by using dimensional formula? Yes, it's very simple. You can just see here. What I'm going to do here is, let us go for trial and error method. Take option number A. So if you take a dimensional formula, small t is equal to square root of t1 and t2. So small t having dimensions t, and here t1, t2 having dimensions t and t. So t is equal to t square under root is going to be t is equal to t. So you can say here first option is going to be correct here. But first option is correct, directly you get the answer. But if you think here, small t is equal to t1 by t2, it is going to be cancelled here, we'll be getting 1 here. So second option is going to be wrong. Here t2 square by t, so t gets cancelled, only root t is left here in this case. But if you go for the second option, here also dimensional formula method if you use, you will get t square by t square under root, which is going to be cancelled, getting 1 here. So by using this simple technique, by using dimensional formulas, you get a correct answer that first option is correct. You need not do a lengthy derivations for this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.